lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a Glossybox limited edition 1. This is the Glossybox Christmas edition 2020. Lovelies, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, product spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, this one I ordered it the end of November, and it came only now after 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, 20 days. So I was expecting that it will be like a long one, a long delivery. Unfortunately, lovelies, this limited edition from Glossybox is already sold out, so I'm really sorry about that. But I did my lineup products of this pack, so if you wanna see that one too, I will pop in on the top here. And as I said in that video, that I really want this box, that I subscribe to Glossybox. So yes, this box, lovelies, it came last night at 9 o'clock and 12 in the evening, and my husband answered the door as always, and it was really late. So when you open, lovelies, we have this gorgeous box. It's the design of the box, same of the advent calendar one. And I didn't purchase the advent calendar because there's not a lot of the products that I'm gonna use in that advent calendar. Cost, I think this one, it costs like 25 pounds if I'm not wrong, but all the info will be in the description box below because I don't really remember. It was at the end of November, so it was a long one. So when you open it, lovelies, it opens like the advent calendar. When you open, it says there are so many beautiful reasons, and the other side it says to be happy. I will keep this box. It's gorgeous. It's so little. So we have the ribbon as always, and then the tissue paper, and yes, and I know what's the products inside, lovelies. As I said, I did a lineup spoiler, but yeah, I decided to purchase this one. There's no leaflet, anything, lovely. So if you wanna see the title of this product, I'll pop in here on the top the lineup products. So we have the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. This one is 6 ml. I'm not sure. I think this is just a deluxe sample size, but I really do like this one. I tried before. I have few spare here too that I've gotten in my previous subscription boxes. But yes, I love this product. And here it says, designed for dull and dehydrated skin, this lightweight skin glowing gel instantly helps hydrated and smooth your skin. It blurs the appearance of fine lines and minimizes the look of imperfection with a natural glowing finish. I use this one as a makeup primer, lovelies. It looks like this outside, and I think this is just a deluxe sample size, but I'm not 100% sure. And then the other product we have here, lovelies, is from Avida, the Art and Science Pure Flower and Plant Essence Thickening Tonic. Has 30 ml. I know this is just a deluxe sample size too. And this is a styling spray. And yes, I tried few products from Avida, and I do really like them. So this one I didn't try it before. So yes, it has the spray. And then the next one we have in here, and this is from Darfin Hydra Skin Rich Hydration. This is for dry skin, all day skin hydration. And yeah, this is just a sample size. It has 15 ml. And inside we have this one here, and this is the outer packaging. And yes, I never tried products from Darfin, so product that I'm really excited to try is this from Tarte, the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. It has 7 ml, so this is a full size product, lovelies. This is the outer packaging, and inside we have this one. So the applicator will be like this, lovelies. So it looks like from the picture from here, it volumizing mascara one. So Can't wait to try this one. But as I said, lovelies, I opened 2 mascara at the moment, so I'll wait that one. And lovelies, will do a review on Friday on my Instagram. I decided to do that. If you want to see my products that I unbox here, and my review will be on my Instagram, I pop in here. So yes, I decided to do that one so I can talk more about these products. The other product that I'm really excited to try, lovelies, it is from MAC. This is a full size lipstick, and this is in the shade Cockney 502. And this is a red. Sometimes I wear red lipstick, nude, or pink. It depends on my mood. So, but I don't really have specific lipstick. I have a various shade in here, but I love wearing lipstick. Not at the moment, as you know, because we wear mask. But yes, so inside we have very red one. Oh, gorgeous. Can't wait to try this one. And as I said, this is not a matte, it has a small glitter in it, so it's shimmer one. We don't wear at the moment lipstick. Oh, I wear lipstick, a lip liner, and a matte lipstick that it doesn't transfer, but I hope it finish soon, this pandemic. So the other one that I tried before, and this is from Fix and Rouge, New and Refined Pore Detox Revival Serum. So this is an Hijab Pore Serum. So this one is a Hijab Pore Serum, and yes, I tried this one before. It's really nice. I think I put this one in my giveaway before too. And this one, it says a complexion refining and resurfacing serum designed to promote cellular renewal and healthy skin revival. Lightweight enhanced formulation targets minor imperfections to help deliver luminous skin tone. Micro refining daily wear complex purifies and minimizes pores to promote a youthful glowing complexion. A multi-action formulation encourages collagen synthesis and improved texture for detoxified perfections. So yes, I tried this one before. It's really good. And then we have an eyeliner from Ico. And this is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner plus Wide Lash Ico Eyeliner. It's really good. As I said before, I really do like it. The application, it's when you apply it, it's really easy. It's glide, it's pigmented. And this one, I really like the Black Magic because it's a waterproof one. But the only problem of this eyeliner, that it dries really quickly. And for 16 pounds, I think this one, it's cost, the full size is 16 pounds. I think it's too much for that price, because honestly, it lasts me only for a week. Ico one, I'm not kidding, but they dry so quickly. So that's why I do like it, but I would not purchase it for 16 pounds. It's just my opinion. And then we have in here a mask, and this is from Holika. This is a Korean brand, a skincare Korean brand, that it's one of my favorite brand. And I tried their makeup before, their skincare, and their mask, and I do really like it. And this is the Pure Essence Mask Sheet Pearl. So here we go. So this one is the vitalizing and moisturizing pearl mask sheet, brightens skin tone with the refreshing energy from the sea. So yeah, and as you know, I love face masks. Korean face masks are really great. And then the last product we have in here, and this is from Liz Earle, and this is the Naturally Active Cleanse and Polish Hot Cleanser. So this one, lovelies, it's a deluxe sample size. It has 50 ml, but it's so cute. This little bag here, this little pouch, and then we have the product. I have the sample size of this one, and then we have also the cloth, which is, I have it too. So yes, and then that's it. We have the leaflet, how to use it. It says use daily, morning and night, and follow with instant boost skin tonic and nurtures of Liz Earle moisturizer. So how to use it, it says in here. So yes, lovelies, and this one, I really do like it. As I said, I tried before. I have sample size, I repurchase sometimes this because it's really good, lovelies. If you didn't try this one before, I highly recommend it. It's 2-in-1. It cleanse and take off my makeup, but I always recommend to take off your makeup with makeup remover and then cleanse. But yes, I really do like it. So that's all, lovely. As you can see, let's do a recap. We have the Liz Earl one, which is I love it. So I'm glad that I got in here. We have the Tarte's one that I really can't wait to try. I have tried few mascara from Tarte, and yes, I do really like it, but I never tried this mascara before, so yes. And then the other product that I'm so excited to try is this from MAC Luster lipstick in the shade Cockney, and this one here, the mask that I'm really excited to try. So this is from Holika. And then the another my favorite product, which is this one from Illamasqua, the Beyond Veil. I use it as a makeup primer. And then the other one that yes, I really do like it, this from Figures and Rouge, which is the serum one, the Pore Detox Revival Serum. And then the another favorite one, but I would not repurchase the as a full price, the Ico one, the Black Magic, the waterproof eyeliner. The other two products that I never tried is from Avida, the Thickening Tonic one, which is the styling spray for the hair, and then the hydration for the all day skin hydrating face cream. I think this is a face cream one. So yeah, from the Darfin. So yes, that's all, lovelies. And yeah, overall, as I said, I really do like this box for the price. I think this is really a good bargain. Unfortunately, it's already sold out, lovelies. Not sure if they are gonna put it in stock again, but if they do again, I will make sure let you know on my community tab on here on YouTube. And what do you think, lovelies? Did you get this box? Do you like it? What products did you try? Let me know in the comment below. And that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, limited edition one. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.